Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn warming up and chit chat of unit number 3.1 if from standard 10th subject English. Let's go start. First question, how do you react when your parents scold you? तुमचे आई वडील तुमच्यावर रागावतात तेव्हा तुमची प्रतिक्रिया कशी असते? Answer, when my parents scold me, I feel sad, but I know they scold me for my good. I keep quiet. I try to improve myself. Second question, how do you feel when someone insult you? एखादी व्यक्ती तुमचा अपमान करते तेव्हा तुम्हाला कसे वाटते? Answer, when someone insult me, I feel sad and unhappy. But I stay calm and I do not fight. I try to correct my mistake. Next question, how would you react when you are cheated by your friends? तुमच्या मित्राने तुम्हाला फसवले तर तुम्ही कसे वागाल? Answer, if my friend cheats me, I feel bad. I will tell him that cheating is wrong and ask them to be honest. Next question, why it is wrong to make a difference among friends who belongs to a different class, color and community? वेगवेगळ्या वर्गाच्या, वर्णाच्या किंवा जातीच्या मित्रांमध्ये भेद करणे का चुकीचे आहे? Answer, it is wrong to make a difference among friends because all friends are same. We should not see their class, color or community. A good friend loves and respects everyone. Next question, first complete the table by providing suitable responses to the given action. दिलेल्या कृतीनुसार योग्य प्रतिक्रिया लिहून तक्ता पूर्ण करा. ॲक्शन कृती, रिस्पॉन्स प्रतिक्रिया. फर्स्ट ॲक्शन, यू आर पनिश्ड बाय द टीचर विदाउट एनी रिझन. रिस्पॉन्स, आय शॅल नॉट लूज माय टेम्पर. आय शॅल टॉक टू द टीचर आफ्टरवर्ड्स. सेकंड ॲक्शन, युअर फ्रेंड्स स्प्रेड rumors about you. I shall not fight. I shall tell them that spreading rumors is wrong. Third action, someone doubts you. Response, I shall explain the truth and make them believe me. Fourth action, your relative blames you for something. Response, I shall stay calm and politely tell them I am not wrong. Fifth action, someone hurts you. Response, I shall forgive them and not hurt back. Next question. Second, complete the sentences meaningfully and share them with the class. वाक्ये अर्थपूर्णरित्या पूर्ण करा आणि ती वर्गात सांगा. आपण डायरेक्ट आन्सर पाहूया. फर्स्ट, if you read books, you will gain knowledge. Second, if you do exercise daily, you will be healthy. Third, if you study well, you will pass the exam. Fourth, if you eat junk food, you will fall sick. Fifth, you will get friends if you help others. Next question, classify the following into weaknesses and strengths. खालील गोष्टी weaknesses म्हणजे कमकुवतपणा आणि strengths म्हणजे ताकदीमध्ये विभागा. Answer, डायरेक्ट आन्सर पाहूयात. फर्स्ट, weaknesses दुर्बलता, कमजोरी. Fear, confusion, worry, cowardice, hesitation, laziness, anger, impatience, arrogance, aggressiveness. Strengths, बळकटपणा किंवा ताकद. कॉन्फिडन्स, क्लॅरिटी, करेज, कंपॅशन, ब्रेव्हरी, पंच्युअलिटी, फेथ, ॲम्बिशन, पेशन्स, generosity, चीअरफुलनेस, टॉलरन्स अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण इफ या कवितेचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटी अभ्यासल्या आहेत. आय होप हा व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आवडला तर लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब निश्चित करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.